taslimat. Taslimat means greetings, salutations. Taslimat, greetings, salutations. Taslimat, greetings, salutations. Adab arz. Adab arz. Adab arz means good day, good evening, good afternoon, etc. Adab arz. Adab arz can be said at any time of the day, be it morning, evening, or afternoon. Adab arz. Adab arz means good day, good evening. We can also say in short adab. We can also say in short adab. Adab means good day, good evening, etc. And in answer to adabars, we also say adabars or adab, both. We can say adab or adabars in answer to adabars. Adabars. Another very common greeting is Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. It also means good day, good evening. Actually, this greeting comes from Arabic. Assalamu alaikum. Its literal meaning is peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum. It can also be said at any time of the day. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. It means peace be upon you. It is equivalent to good day, good evening, etc. But in answer to Assalamu alaikum, we say Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. If someone says to us Assalamu alaikum, in answer we say Wa alaikum assalam. Its literal meaning is and peace be upon you too. Wa alaikum assalam. And peace be upon you too. Wa alaikum assalam. In answer to Assalamu alaikum, we say Wa alaikum assalam. Mizaj Sharif. Mizaj Sharif. Mizaj Sharif means how are you? How are you? Mizaj Sharif. How are you? Mizaj Sharif. How are you? In answer to Mizaj Sharif, we can say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. I am fine. Alhamdulillah. In answer to Mizaj Sharif, when we say Alhamdulillah, it means I am fine. But the literal meaning of Alhamdulillah is all praise is for Allah. All praise is for Allah. It means we are saying that by the grace of the God, I am fine, I am quite well. Alhamdulillah. And instead of adab, instead of Mizaj Sharif, we can also ask आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? But we can say आप कैसे हैं to a man or to a boy. But if we want to ask the same question, how are you, to a girl or a woman, then we will say आप कैसी हैं. कैसे will be replaced by कैसी. आप कैसी हैं? How are you? आप कैसी हैं? How are you? We say आप कैसी हैं to a woman or a girl. Okay. In answer to आप कैसे हैं, आप कैसी हैं, one can say आपकी दुआएं हैं. I am fine. I am fine. आपकी दुआएं हैं. आपकी दुआएं हैं. I am fine. It's equivalent to I am fine. आपकी दुआएं हैं. It's equivalent to I am fine. But the literal meaning of the sentence is I have your blessings. आपकी दुआएं हैं. I have your blessings. आपकी दुआएं हैं. I am fine. And literal meaning is I have your blessings. And we can also say मैं अच्छा हूँ. If you are a man, you can say मैं अच्छा हूँ. In answer to आप कैसे हैं. मैं अच्छा हूँ. And in answer to when we ask a lady आप कैसी हैं, she will say मैं अच्छी हूँ. मैं अच्छी हूँ. I am all right. A lady or a girl will say मैं अच्छी हूँ for I am all right. मैं अच्छी हूँ. And one can also say अल्लाह का शुक्र है. अल्लाह का शुक्र है. It is equivalent to I am fine. अल्लाह का शुक्र है means I am fine. But literal meaning of अल्लाह का शुक्र है is thanks to Allah. Thanks to Allah. It means by the grace of the God I am fine. अल्लाह का शुक्र है. I am fine. खुदा हाफिज. खुदा हाफिज. खुदा हाफिज means goodbye. खुदा हाफिज means goodbye. खुदा हाफिज is equivalent to goodbye, but literal meaning of खुदा हाफिज is may God protect you. खुदा हाफिज means God is your protector. God is your protector. खुदा हाफिज. We can also say Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Khuda is a Persian word and Allah is an Arabic word, so we can also say Allah Hafiz. And means Allah is your protector. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye. Khush Amdeed. Khush Amdeed means welcome. Khush Amdeed, welcome. Khush Amdeed, welcome. Khush Amdeed, welcome.